Hey everyone, this is David from Benchmark. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to create a mesh in MSCAD from MicroSurvey. So to do this, I'm just going to go to the Draw 3D tab, and I'm going to click on the Mesh tool. Then I get to specify the four corners of my mesh, which I'll just do here. Then it's going to ask me how many divisions along my primary and secondary axis. So I'm just going to put, 16 divisions here, and I'll put 32 divisions on the secondary axis. And right here you can see it's gone ahead and created me my mesh. If I orbit around in 3D, you can see I have a mesh here, and that's all there is to it. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit us online at www.bench-mark.ca. If you like content like this, go ahead and leave us a comment of what video you'd like to see next. Maybe subscribe to our channel if you'd like to be notified when we put out new videos. And give this video a thumbs up because that keeps us going, gives us a reason to put out more. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.